Welcome to this course about the FSE regulations. An electrician was putting up a sign on a distribution cabinet. The cabinet door was broken, and the sign was supposed to warn others of the damage. When fastening the sign, however, he managed to make a short circuit with the cabinet's 230-volt supply. An installer has the job of fitting an X-clamp in a live installation, that one of his 1000-volt gloves wasn't on properly and that there was a hole in the other. This resulted in the electric shock. As you can see, checking one's own equipment is important. Petter, an electrician's apprentice, was fitting a stove guard in a new flat. Why did this simple job go wrong? Lack of protective equipment? Yes. You have now completed the theoretical part of this course. Now there's only the exam to do. Good luck!